Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving through Kingston. We're on Halfway Tree Road heading towards the Halfway Tree area. We just left Crossroads, or actually we're in the Crossroads area still, but we're driving from Crossroads to Halfway Tree on Halfway Tree Road. On the left is KFC, on the right is Captain's Bakery, and on the left now is the Total gas station. We're passing Tasty on the left, and then there's a Texaco. Halfway Tree Road it's a very busy road, but as you can see, it could do with some upgrade, like you have Constant Spring Road or Barbican Road. I think Halfway Tree Road should be upgraded. Hopefully it's in the works somehow. Okay, now we're going to turn. On the right is the FedEx office where you go to drop off stuff you need to mail, and of course next door is DHL. There's this pretty building, toner, bathroom furniture. You know, these newer looking buildings that just stand out, so when you see them you're like, whoa, let me take a second look. Okay, we're now turning left onto Beechwood Avenue. Now this white building, this white wall, sorry, that you see over here, that's the National, I guess, factory. That's where they do all the baking, the bread, the biscuits, those kind of things. And that is a very tall wall. Wow. I wonder why that wall is, well, we know why, but it's just taller than usual. Okay, extremely tall. Alright, we're gonna turn here and look at this gas station. It's the first I'm actually seeing it. It's a Fesco gas station, looks new. I'm assuming they just opened, because I've not seen this gas station before. They have one like this on the boulevard. This is a very nice gas station. And you can see a lot of cars here, so you can probably guess the price is economical. Oh, they have a whole plaza. Water store. Wait, very nice. Looks like they have an upstairs. Breakfast, lunch and dinner on the go. They have a restaurant. Wow, very nice. I like to see this kind of progress, you know. Back in the day, you would have some gas station that have a tire shop and it's messy and dirty, but nowadays you see some very nice gas stations with nice food courts or convenience stands, and very modern, well lit. I like the progress. Very nice. Okay, looking at the price, their prices are actually reasonable. We use low sulfur, so I can monitor. I know that price. And the Fesco gas station here, the gas is low, ultra low diesel is $2.26. There are some gas stations that sell it for $2.30, $2.40 in Kingston. No, we're not knocking anybody, you know what's going on in the world. The gas prices are going up, but $2.26 is a good price for ultra low sulfur, so that's probably why that gas station is so busy. Okay, on the left is stationery and office supplies. They sell stationery and office supplies. PBS is on the right. This is more a commercial part of Beechwood Avenue. This is another gas station, Johnson's. I've heard about that one. It's packed up too. I guess the gas out down in this area is cheap. Well, cheaper. Okay. A lot of offices. On the right is the Jamaica Observer. That's a newspaper. And when you think of Beechwood Avenue, that's the location that pops into your head. And also RGR. Well, I'm not sure if RGR's address is Beechwood Avenue or you enter from another road. But for some reason, the Jamaica Observer to me is the most popular location, and RGR. RGR is on the left, but the entrance is not on Beechwood Avenue. So I don't know if they're, I don't know, but okay, we're going to turn here. We're going to turn left. Here you can see RGR on the left. I think this is Lyndhurst Avenue. I'm not sure. And oh no, this isn't Lyndhurst. Lyndhurst is the one straight ahead where you see the stoplight, because Lyndhurst is popular because they have a church on Lyndhurst Avenue. And that's a church right there on the right hand side. You can see from the design, it's one of those churches that were built a long time ago. It's a Methodist church. You can see from the cross by the name. It's a very popular church. Okay, so we're going to turn left on Lyndhurst Avenue and head back towards the crossroads area. And just in case you are wondering, we don't really have a, like we say, okay, we're going to go to Crossroads and make videos and then work from Crossroads back to Halfway Tree. So we don't really have the name of every single road in Jamaica. It's not like we research it before. So sometimes we turn on a road and there's no street sign. We just draw a blank. But for the popular roads, we can always remember those. Okay, so, oh boy, this is Retirement Road. Why did I say Lyndhurst Road? This is Retirement Road. I guess when you go across the light, that's Lyndhurst. Okay, on the right now is the plaza. I'm going to turn in there. Actually, the gate looks like it's locked. Now, this plaza on the right used to be what was this? Empire Plaza, and the Empire Supermarket was over here. But they sold it out or closed down. I'm not exactly sure what happened, but it's now the Sampar Supermarket. But all of this used to be the Empire Plaza, and the Empire Supermarket was here. Here, over here is the supermarket. And it was one of the Empire Supermarket was like one of the landmarks in Crossroads. And then straight ahead there's an island grill in the plaza. Alright guys, thanks for watching the channel. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And sorry if we mixed up the names of the road. It happens. Sorry about that. Alright. Have a good day.